This is a low cotton one, and I'm doing a video review, unboxing, and video review of Caphelm's um, package. Okay, this is a commercial sample. It was sent to me all the way from Germany, I would assume. Yeah, Germany. Okay, so let's get started right away. Oh, uh, mhm. Oh, that's a surprise. Okay, I have like not only um, one of these. Let's see. Okay, that's what I have on the box. Okay, like um, these two cups here that I will usually uh, give away to my group, and then around one package here and another. Okay, compare. Okay, and a couple of stickers and this note. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, from the side. So the whole plastic bag came along with this, and I think it was mentioned over from my Instagram account messaging, and this was designed for one of their caps, the Ubex cap. Okay, and not really typical for any other cap. So we'll put this with almost a similar uh, cap, which is the 940 New Era. So let's see. Oh, yeah, I get what you mean. Okay, so I think, okay, one of the things to consider when getting this Caphelm is that even though with the 940 sitting at this angle, you can see there's a lowered space in between. Okay, at the side, both. Okay, so even if I raise the cap like this upwards, the angle will be in this way. But okay, I mean, of course, the stickers of your cap will eventually be in contact with um, the uh, the clip. Okay, and one of the things to consider is the weight of the cap helm itself. You can see I have clipped this with a flat brim cap, and your flat brim cap will look like this. It was never designed for such, but I'm willing to try it anyway, so I'm just gonna fit it. Um, to fit it with a flat brim cap, it would look like this from the front. There's a big space in the middle. You're gonna wear it upright and without any sort of glare on it. Okay, so you look weird as the distance from your cap and your face is way too big. But the good side of it is that you can speak through here and breathe normally, which I think the main reason, if I put it down, then I would be better fit. I wanted kind of weird. Okay, so and okay, I will discuss more about the clip itself. The cap which the Caphelm has provided along with the the Caphelm, and it looks perfectly fitted in this situation, but since I have a big head, uh, it doesn't sit quite well, and of course it's covering what it needs to be covered. So I would recommend this to uh, smaller head, okay, rather than big. And as you can see, it's sort of eating through or biting through the brim in this angle already. So the brim, if you're so much cared for it, would look that like this. By the weight in terms of grams, so with the plastic on, it's roughly around um, how many grams it is, like 10 grams or so, a bit heavier. uh, Try it with the, try it heavy, yeah. So, oh, there, almost 100 grams. So this is just the weight of uh, the shield. Typically, uh, this one, how much would it be? So almost the same. So no, half, 50 grams. Okay, so a bit heavier than the typical typical cap. Sorry, the typical shield. It's a bit heavier. Um, Roughly weighing okay, upright. Find it weird because if you put it like this, then it's like less than 50. But if I have it face up, almost 100. So that's roughly what my video review about Caphelm. It's a really a game changer for well, your curved brim caps. I wouldn't recommend this for flat brim as it will eat through the brim, and quite thick, this one. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you very much for sending me these samples. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.